Hello. In this video, I will show you how to divide polynomials. Now, dividing polynomials is relatively similar to normally dividing through long division. However, you're just using variables and you have to account for two numbers on your denominator rather than just one. Now, let's take our first problem, which is x squared plus 5x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. Now what we have to do is set this into long division format. So we'll do x plus 4 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4. So that's our equation. Now let's go ahead and solve this. So, just like in normal long division, you have to find one number that goes up here as your coefficient that will multiply to your first number in your equation. So, from x plus 4, how do we get x squared? We have to multiply by x. So that'll be our first number. So x times x is x squared. But instead of just doing multiplying by x, we have to also multiply by 4. So now x times 4 is plus 4x. Now there's something special about when you multiply through long division and with polynomials. What you have to do in this scenario is you have to take these bottom values that you just put in and you have to change their sign. So now we make this x squared plus 4x. We change their signs to make it negative x squared. And then we take this and we make this a negative. So now we have negative x squared minus 4x. Now once we've got this equation, the x squareds will cancel out, and now all we have left is x, because 5x minus 4x is just x. And once we have the x, we bring down that last number, and that'll be x plus 4. And how do we get x plus 4? By multiplying a number times x plus 4. That'll just be 1. So now we just add that to our top. So now x plus 4 times 1 is x plus 4. Now remember, we have to change the signs. Now this will become negative x. Now we take this and we make that a negative. So negative x minus 4, and both of these will cancel out, which means that our final answer is going to be x plus 1. So that's our final answer. And just to check, what we can do is we can take x plus 4 times x plus 1. And if we get our original equation, which is x squared plus 5x plus 4, we know that x plus 1 is our answer. So we've got x times x is x squared. X times 1 is plus x. 4 times x is plus 4x. And 4 times 1 is plus 4. So x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now that was our original equation, so we know that x plus 1 is going to be correct. Now let's look at a slightly more difficult equation. We've got x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. Now let's set this into long division format. So we've got x minus 3 divided by x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now let's go ahead and solve this. So remember, just like last problem, we have to find a number that multiplies from this, that multiplies x minus 3 to get x cubed. That'll be x squared. Because x squared times x is x cubed. And now we've got x squared times negative 3. And that'll be minus 3x squared. Now remember, we have to change the signs. So now this would become negative x cubed plus 3x squared. Now if we take this, the x cubes will cancel out, and we'll just get x squared. Now we bring down our next number, which is negative 5x. From x minus 3, how do we get x squared? We have to multiply by x. So x squared plus x. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is minus 3x. Now let's change the signs. So the x squared minus 3x will become negative x squared plus 3x. Now if we equate this, the x squareds will cancel out, and we have negative x and negative 2x, and then we bring down our final number, which is plus 6. Negative 2x plus 6, we have to find a number that multiplies x minus 3 to get negative 2x plus 6, and that'll be minus 2. So negative 2 times x is minus 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is plus 6. Now we have to change the signs. Those will become plus 2x, and then this will become minus 6. So now both of these cancel out, so we know that our final solution is x squared plus x minus 2. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch for future videos, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.